Introducing the next evolution in pressurized wall cavity drying, the VIKING PDS-Pro. Its lightweight and compact size help maximize storage space, making transportation a breeze. At its core is a revolutionary brushless motor. This means no more brush changes, leading to significantly lower maintenance costs and less downtime. Rated for over 5,000 hours, it's built to deliver the ultimate return on your investment. For jobs requiring extra heat or those in colder environments, the PDS-Pro features a dedicated onboard heating element to ensure optimal performance. Take complete command of the drying process. The PDS-Pro gives you total control with variable heat and airflow dials, allowing you to adjust temperature and air velocity simultaneously. Monitor your settings on the clear digital display. A favorite feature among restorers is the baseline delivery system, designed for maximum coverage and organized expansion, whether operating a single unit or linking multiple systems together. It offers unmatched versatility for any job site. VIKING, the leader in pressurized heated wall cavity drying, continues its legacy of proven performance and strong return on investment with the PDS-Pro. Ready to upgrade your drying game? The PDS-Pro delivers performance, efficiency, and a return on investment that speaks for itself. Equip your team with the best. VIKING by XPOWER.